Hello students, exercise 1.1 problem 4. So the introduction of chapter 1 video link I have given in the description. You can click and check. Before that, please subscribe my channel, EMAS tutorial. Fourth problem, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a point, it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meter below sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So what they have given? So consider this is the sea level. Okay, consider this as the sea level. So a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meters. So it is given as 5000 height of 5000 meter above sea level. So this is the sea level and the plane is flying above 5000 meters from the sea level. So 5000 meter, that's a plane. Next, at a point it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meter below sea level. So this is the sea level and below the sea level. Submarine means it will float under the water. So below sea level submarine is there at a distance of 1200 meter. Submarine. What is the vertical distance between them? I have to find out what is the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine. So this is the content they have given. So first, what is the given part? First you have to write plane flying at a height. It is given in the question. So plane flying at a height. It is given as 5000 meter. Next is depth of submarine. So depth of submarine means it is underwater. So submarine. So it is underwater. So this will be as a positive integer and it is negative integer. Okay. Consider this as a 0 level and from 0, 1, 2, 3 this will go as a positive integer. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It will go as a negative integer. So you have to mention it as minus 1200 meter. Now I have to find out the vertical distance. They have asked vertical distance between the plane and the submarine. Vertical distance equal to. I have to subtract these two numbers. 5000 minus. Already it is given as minus 1200. So minus 1200. So 5000 minus into minus plus 1200. So if you add these two numbers, 5000 plus 1200, 0, 0, 2, 6. It is 6200 meter. So the answer step you have to write as vertical distance between plane and submarine. That is equal to 6200. This is the answer for the fourth question. Next, we are going to see the fifth question. Exercise 1.1 problem 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank and withdraw rupees 1642 from it in next day. If withdrawal of amount from account is represented by negative integer. See, they have given us withdrawal should be represented as negative integer, that is minus. Negative means minus. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? If withdrawal amount is represented as minus means deposited amount. See, deposited amount is represented as positive plus. Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. So first the withdrawal amount is we are representing as negative integer. So mention that withdrawal amount is represented as positive integer. You can write as positive or plus I will say. And deposit amount represented as negative integer. Okay, from the question we can write how much amount he deposited. He deposited 2000 and withdrawn 1642. So we are going to mention that. So amount deposited equal to rupees 2000. Amount withdrawn equal to rupees 1642. Okay. See, already we mentioned deposited amount we are going to mention as positive plus 2000. Withdrawn amount we are mentioning it as negative, that is minus 1642. So you have to mention that. Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. After withdrawing this money, how much balance he is having? We have to check. So we are going to find out balance equal to amount deposited plus amount withdrawn. What is the amount deposited? It is given as 2000 plus, right? Plus. What is the withdrawn amount? It is given as minus 1642. You have mentioned the withdrawn amount as negative integer. So 2000 plus into minus 1640. If I subtract these two numbers, I can get the answer minus 1642. So this will become 10, 9, 9, 1. So 10 minus 2, 8, 5, 3, 0. So answer balance amount equal to rupees 358. Rupees is having as the balance. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel EMAS tutorial, share the video. Thank you.